Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 25, OV 122. पुढील अध्याय याहुनी गोड, पुरेल श्रवणार्थीयांचे कोड, वाढेल साई चरणी आवड, श्रद्धा ही सुदृढ होईल. The next chapter is sweeter than this. The listener's longing will be satisfied. Their love at Sai's feet will increase. Their faith will also be strengthened. आले एक भक्त दर्शना, सोडूनिया निजगुरु चरणा, करिता साई पदाभिवंदना, निजगुरु स्थाना दृढ केले. Once a devotee came for darshan after obtaining permission from his guru. On bowing at Sai's feet, his faith in his own guru was strengthened. तैसेच एक दुसरे गृहस्थ, श्रीमंत परी विपदग्रस्त, आले पुत्र करत्र सहित, दर्शनार्थ साईंच्या. Similarly, another gentleman who was rich but having great problems came for Sai's darshan with his son and his wife. कैसा तयांचा पुरविला हेत, कैसा पुत्र अपस्मार व्यथित, केला दर्शने व्याधी निर्मुक्त, पूर्वदृष्टांत स्मरवुनी. How his desire was fulfilled and his epileptic son was cured by mere darshan. He was also reminded of an earlier experience. म्हणोनी हे मान साईस शरण, करी श्रोतया आदरे विनवण, होनी साई कथा प्रवण, कराजी श्रवण सार्थक्य. Therefore, Hemad surrenders to Sai and respectfully requests the listeners to become inclined towards Sai's stories and make the listening meaningful. स्वस्ति श्री संत सज्जन प्रेरिते, भक्त हेमाड पंत विरचिते, श्री साई समर्थ सच्चरिते, भक्तिभीष्ट संपादनम नाम 25तमोऽध्यायः संपूर्णः. श्री सद्गुरु साईनाथार्पणमस्तु. शुभं भवतु, शुभं भवतु, शुभं भवतु. May there be well-being. This is the end of the 25th chapter of Shri Sai Samartha Satcharita, written by the devotee Hemad Pant, impelled by saints and virtuous people, called Achieving the Devotee's Welfare by Granting What is Desired Deeply. This is offered to Shri Sadguru Sainath. May there be auspiciousness.